Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get the cursor back on your HP OmniBook's 5 flip screen. Normally, to get the cursor back on your screen, you just have to move your finger on your touchpad. But in case your touchpad seemingly isn't working, then you can still use your touch screen to fix this issue. And first thing that we're gonna have to do to fix this issue is open the Start menu and go to Settings. After that, we're gonna have to go to Bluetooth and Devices, and after that navigate down to Touchpad option, and here check if the touchpad is toggled off. If it's toggled off, then switch it on by switching the toggle to the right, and then check your touchpad once again. And if it's still not working, then it's most probably the driver issue, and in such case we're gonna have to open either the search field or go to the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it. Then in the Device Manager we're gonna have to find Human Interface Devices. Something happened to the camera. Okay, so select Human Interfaces Devices, expand this list. Well, here we have a giant list of different devices, but we are looking for I2C HID device. Now, one of these two devices is the touchpad, and to identify which one, we have to open both of them, then go to Driver tab. And if you can disable this device in the Driver tab, that means that this is the touchpad driver. For example, if we open the second I2C HID device and go to Driver, you'll see that we cannot disable this device. That means that this must be something else. I'm not particularly sure which device is the second I2C HID device, but this one is surely our touchpad. And now, first of all, go to the driver and check if the device is not disabled, or if it's disabled, enable it. Alternatively, we can disable it, click yes, and then re-enable it again, and then try using it once again. But in case your touchpad still isn't working, select uninstall device, click uninstall once again to confirm, and after that your touchpad will stop working completely. And to reinstall the touchpad driver, we just have to open the Start menu, go to Power Options and select Restart, and then wait for our laptop to reboot. Okay, and now try checking out your touchpad once again. Everything should be working just fine now. And if it's still not working for you, then it might be a hardware issue at this point, and I highly recommend reaching out to HP customer support service and asking them about this issue, and maybe even sending your device for repair to them. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.